At 114 foot, King's Bluff is one of the tallest waterfalls in the Ozarks. The hike is 1.7 miles long, and after about a mile, the trail leads to a flat bluff and a deep valley about 100 foot below. After exploring the waterfall, you can head on down the trail to Pedestal Rocks. These unique rock formations were formed over eons from water and wind erosion, sculpting these unique mushroom-shaped columns as well as numerous small caves and rock shelters in the side of the bluff. Glory Hole Falls may be one of the most unique waterfalls in the Ozarks. The waterfall is formed by a stream that flows through the ceiling of an overhang cave. This is a spectacular waterfall. Its height is about 30 feet, and the uniqueness of it flowing through a hole literally burrowed through rock is very impressive. Pam's Grotto is located in a deep ravine with towering bluffs along the way. The waterfall is tucked away in one of the most beautiful grottos and is guarded by huge boulders plus numerous other large rocks and boulders strewn about. No waterfall trip to Arkansas is complete without a trip to the car wash. Getting there is half the fun.